Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Peppapig and the Silly Sniffles. Peppapig and Susie Sheep are playing store. Susie Sheep stocks the shelf, Pepper takes the money. This is a fun job, says Peppa. Danny Dog is their first customer. Hello, could I have some cookies, please? We don't have any cookies, says Susie, but we have toy telephone. Candy Cat is next. May I have a loaf of bread, please? We don't have any bread, says Susie, but there is a toy house. More and more customers come in. Rebecca Rabbit buys a carrot. Zoe Zebra asks for apples, and Susie and Pepper sell her a toy truck. Being a shopkeeper is hard work, says Peppa. Pedro Pony comes in next. Achoo! Sniff, sniff, cough, cough. Pedro has the sniffles. Oh. Poor Pedro. Peppa and Susie don't have anything in their shop for him. Susie says, Peppa, let's play a new game. We can help Pedro feel better. Peppa and Susie go to the dress-up boxes and change into their new outfits. Let's see. Then Dr. Peppa and Nurse Susie go to work. Let's have a look, Pedro, says Dr. Peppa. Peppa examines the patient. Oh, this is serious, she says. What should we do? Asks Nurse Susie. Peppa has an idea. She knows just what to do to make Pedro better. How is that, Pedro? Asks Susie. Cough, cough. Don't worry, Pedro, says Peppa. I have another idea. Are you feeling better yet, Pedro? Asked Susie. Achoo, achoo. Not yet. Okay, I have an extra special treatment, says Peppa. Great idea, Peppa, says Susie. You are a very good doctor. Achoo, sniff, sniff, cough, cough. Peppa and Susie try again. They are giving Pedro a cast. But Peppa, says Pedro, I don't have a broken leg. I have the sniffles. Achoo, sniff, sniff. But everyone wants to see and sign Pedro's cast. Candy Cat draws a flower. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Zoe Zebra draws Mr. Potato. Dr. Peppa draws a muddy puddle. Oh, I think I have the sniffles too, says Candy Cat. Can you help me, Dr. Peppa? Yes, me too, says Daddy Dog. I need a cast. Everyone wants Dr. Peppa to help. I still have the sniffles, says Pedro, but I feel much better. Thank you, Nurse Susie. Thank you, Dr. Pepper. Thank you. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time.